Technical difficulties. Okay, let's start. Technical difficulty. Technical difficulty. Whenever you say commands and framed, it kicks you out of the game. I just left. It kicked me out because I said commands. Oh, guys, join me. There's only 5 people in this one. No, it isn't. Only 6 people. Top secret. Go. Guys. Hey, guys, join me. Join me on Frame. I want to play Framed with somebody, but no one wants to play Framed with me. I cry then. I cry. Oh, thanks. It's the error flow. Thanks. Sorry. Thank you. I'm a police. Eliminate the one. Die, baby. Were you or no? Happened again for no reason. I'm sorry, guys. It's just that my dumb computer is lagging. On its best. Framed right? You're police? Ow! Who shot me? Who the heck shot me? Why you gotta do that? What did I do to you? Was I cry. I cry. I cry. I cry. I cry. I cry. You win, I will win always. I love playing framed. Ballroom. Ballroom, pig ballroom. Train truck. Flamed, flamed, flamed. I had the worst of nightmares. No one's gonna catch me red-handed, cause I'm not even a prisoner. I'm not even framed. I'm not even a framed. No! What? What? What, mate? What, mate? This dude is OP. Why you leave? Why you leave, Aeroflowy? Why you leave? Farewell, Flowey. Connection to server. Why you leave? Why you leave? Why you leave? Play the game. Oh, you didn't. You didn't even play the game. You're even complaining that that sucks. What? Why is it what vanity? What sucks? Why are you playing Roblox? Why are you playing Roblox right now? Because I'm getting my job memory. Yeah, sure. I started playing. I started playing it. 13. And I made a lot of accounts. I made a lot of accounts. I'm gonna play sister location, RP. I'm gonna play sister location. It's a game on Roblox. If you wanna, hey, if you wanna, encore, 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 encore. Bon Bon. Say hi to our friends. Bon Bon. Say hi to our friends. Anchor, 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 anchor. Anchor. Sorry for this crappy bit. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.